Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priya. If it's your first time here, I filmed this gorgeous cut crease peachy eye look makeup tutorial. I'm obsessed with this look and I feel like these colors I used in this tutorial is going to look good on all skin tones. So let's hop onto it. Before we get started, I'm going to moisturize and prime my face with Olay Complete SPF 15 Moisturizer and L'Oreal Glowlock Illuminating Base Primer. For eye primer, I'm using the Covergirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer. As you guys can use any kind of concealer as far as it's a lighter shade compared to your skin tone, and that would be perfect for your eyeshadow base. In this video, I am actually using a couple of drugstore products such as my eye primer, the concealer, the brow pencil, and for my brow, this time I'm using the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow Pencil. It's in the shade 400 Rich Brown to shape my eyebrows and fill it in. To get that rich brown look on my eyebrows, I'm using the Moodstruck ddiction palette number 2 in the shade Cocky from NYX. I'm using the Covergirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer again to shape my eyebrows and make sure that it has that pop-up look by cleaning up the edges of my eyebrows. A lot of beauty gurus use the wet sponge technique to apply foundation and concealer. So today I'm using the same technique to apply my eyeshadow base. And for eyeshadow, I'm using the Pari Beauty Limited Edition palette, using the light beige shade for my base and a dark peach color shade in the outer corner of my eyes. You guys do not have to use the same palette to get the exact same look. If you guys have a palette with the similar light beige and dark peach or even dark pink color, you guys can use that too to achieve this look. To get a more rich tone for the outer corner of my eyes, I'm using the shade Summer Yum. It's basically our dark orangish shade from the palette Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. And if you guys have a dark orangish shade color in any other palette, you guys can use that too to blend and get this amazing orangish peachy look. Blending is key, guys, so if you would like to get that flawless eyeshadow look, blending is really important. So go ahead, blend it out and get that flawless look. A lot of people say that the cut crease eyeshadow technique is the most time-consuming eyeshadow look, but in this tutorial I'm actually going to show you how to do it easily. So all you need is a lighter shade of concealer brush, and just take the product on your concealer brush and start dabbing it from the inner corner of your eyes and dab it until you reach the outer corner of your eyes, and ensure that you're dabbing it a little above your crease area, so when you actually open your eyes the concealer doesn't spread and ruin your eyeshadow. The concealer I'm using is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW06, and just repeat the same process on the other eye and keep dabbing the product on your eye. Make sure you're not putting on too much product, but just enough, and keep cutting your crease until you're satisfied with the look. I'm setting the base of the cut crease, which I created using a concealer, by using the eyeshadow shade White Peach from the Too Faced palette. You guys can use any kind of lighter shade, basically mostly whitish shade, to ensure that the product does not smudge to the rest of your eyelid. And just blend the outer corner of your eyes just so that it looks flawless. The intention is for the cut crease to look glowy and shiny, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit using the shade Daydream and Kitty Cat to cover the concealer. So I'm basically slowly dabbing the product on top of the concealer to get that shiny glowy look. This is the part which actually takes a lot of time for me to do because eyeliner is everything for me. If I'm doing a flawless eye makeup look and eyeliner doesn't turn out to be good, yep, I'm taking it all off. So for my eyeliner, I'm using the High Precision shade Black eyeliner from Sephora. You guys can use a darker shade of brown to blend the outer corner of your eyes after you put on your lashes to make sure that your whole eyeshadow looks like it's put together. And in this situation, I'm using the palette Too Faced, and the shade is called Charmed, I'm sure. My skin type is really oily, so I am using the water-based foundation from Estee Lauder, and I'm dabbing it throughout my whole face for full coverage. To highlight and contour my face, I'm using the Covergirl Trueblend concealer in the shade Perfect Beige and the NYX Studio Photogenic concealer in the shade CW08. And the key over here for your contour technique is to blend it, because if you're using a cream contour or basically a darker shade of concealer to contour your face, if you do not blend properly, it's gonna show dark patches, which isn't gonna look nice. Comment below, let me know what other contour products do you use, what other contour products do you recommend, so I can try it and use it on my next video and see how it works. To bake my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm just gonna apply it right underneath my eyes and on top of my jawline. Since my skin type is oily, I feel like that this really helps me get that matte look. I'm using the Mineral Touch Pressed Powder from NYX on my neck, and I usually use the same powder and I just dab the brush on my forehead where I contour to get the soft look. To soften the areas where we just contoured, I'm using the Lancome Sunkissed bronzing powder, and this basically gives your face more definition, and it makes the face and the whole look flawless. Using the fluffy brush, I'm just blending the setting powder into my skin, just so that we can get that finished matte look. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Forever Lit for the inner corner of my eyes, and Daydream for my cheekbones. The best part about this look is that you can go with any lip color. So in this situation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in the shade 661D and the Milani Matte Lipstick in the shade 11 Precious. So I have also tried the color Bright Red, Bright Maroon, and dark brown in the same eye look, and it looks amazing. So you guys can use any kind of lip shade and it's basically gonna look flawless. Just using the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy, and I'm just dabbing it on my lip to give it more of a matte look. To finish the look, I'm using the MAC Finishing Mist. If you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at priya_devi01, or you can search by my name at Priya's Journey. I would really love to see that. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.